Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to Hot Wheels Dad. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Hot Wheels Dad. I appreciate you guys returning back here. Hope you guys are all out there being legendary. Today's episode, I wanted to do just a little bit of an update of what's been going on in the garage, what's been going on with the Amazon business, and what's been going on with life. Let's start with my little daily dose of gratitude. Okay, you guys, so as you all know, the automotive enthusiast world is a big world. So across the United States, there are car cruises, there are car meets. Everywhere you guys look on social media, you guys can see something going on in the world with cars. What I am thankful for today is the fact that we have our social media pages. We get to interact with people across the nation, getting to check out their rides, getting to check out what they're doing with their builds, getting to check out everything, getting ideas with what we want to do for our own builds. You guys, what's so cool about it is the fact that you can interact with anybody and everybody. All of a sudden, the world becomes very, very small with social media networks like YouTube, like Instagram, like Facebook. That's what I am thankful for, you guys. I'm thankful for being able to interact with everybody. Also thankful for almost 900 subscribers, you guys. You guys are rocking it. Thank you for tuning into my channel all the time. You guys have been commenting. You guys have been giving me compliments. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for all the content you want to see on an F-150, on my garage, whatever it is. You guys know I'm here for you. You guys know this channel is for you guys. If you have tuned into some previous episodes of my channel, you guys know I run an Amazon retail arbitrage business. I sell products that were previously purchased on Amazon and returned. All those returns get sent to a wholesale and I purchase them wholesale. So if you guys have seen previous episodes, you guys know that my garage has been full to right about here. Currently, we have sold most of our products, so we are down. Today, we are heading down to Marietta to pick up another crate to load up into the F-150 and start selling some more stuff. That's what we're doing today. We're heading down. I wanted to give you guys a little 2-month update. We have purchased 4 crates so far. Today's going to be our 5th crate. I wanted to dive down into the numbers, give you guys an update for 2 months, what we have made so far, what we have sold, total revenue, and what we have in total profits. I also want to update you guys on the GT500. The GT500 has officially sold. Well, officially, not officially, it has sold. It is up on the website. It is currently showing a sale pending. So GT500 is gone. I'm waiting on getting in contact with the dealer to do whatever I need to do, sign the DMV paperwork, whatever it is, waiting on doing that. So you guys, GT500 is gone and it's time to bring a new car to the channel. And what I kind of want to do today, since we're heading down to Marietta, we may stop by West Coast Exotics just to see it, just to say goodbye to the car. Maybe, but if we do, I will show you guys what they have inside of their showroom and we'll just check out some cool cars. And maybe one of those cars will be one of the ones that I will be bringing to this channel. So let's get loaded up. Let's head down there. Let's jump on the freeway. I will get you guys a cold start on the F-150 right now. As much as we like it, but you know, Corsa Extreme exhaust always sounding so awesome. All right guys, we are on the road heading down to Marietta to pick up another crate. We wanted to give you guys an update on what we have made thus far. Earlier I had made mention that we are on our 5th crate, but in actuality we are on our 4th crate, which is really good because all of the profit that we have made has just been based off of buying 3 crates. What we want to do is to give you guys a quick update, and let's do that right now. So we have the laptop out right here and we are going to go one by one based off of what we have sold thus far per crate. What is an update on the first crate that we have sold?
So pallet 1 total net is $25.59 and profit is $18.08.
As of the first pallet, $1,800 in just profit. What do we have for pallet number 2?
Pallet number 2 total is $13.06 and profit is $7.56.
All right, so total revenue is $1,300 and we have made $700 off of that. And pallet number 3.
Pallet number 3 total is $23.25 and profit is $15.75.
So total sold was $2,300 and we have made $1,500 off of it for profit for a grand total of
$61.90 and our profit is $41.40.
So revenue, we have sold a total of $6,000 and off of that we have made just over $4,000. So for anyone who is looking for a little side hustle, check this out guys. 2 months into it, we have made a profit of $4,000, which means if you were gonna be doing this for the whole year, that's $24,000 in just income, you guys, extra income added to whatever you guys are already doing. You guys are making $80,000 a year. This bumps you up to over $100,000 a year just doing this on the side, you guys. So if you guys are hustlers, I highly recommend looking into it. I'm going to post a link to our own personal store down in the description below, and you guys can check it out. You guys can see what we currently are selling, what we have online. We are a local shop, so if you guys are local in California and you see something you like, definitely let us know. But highly recommend going to check it out. All right, guys, we are all loaded up here. Drop down a little bit, but not too much. A little bit of a heavy crate, but should do the trick. Let's get a thumbnail for the gram, thumbnail for YouTube. There it is, all loaded up, ready to go. I'm gonna get it strapped up. I'm gonna get up there and put some straps on there, strap down, and we will roll out to West Coast Exotic Cars. All right, we are arriving here at West Coast Exotic Cars. We're gonna come say goodbye to the Shelby GT500. It was a fun run. Ooh, check out that 911 turbo there. That is beautiful. All right, you guys, we're gonna go inside, check out some of the cars that they have inside the showroom and say goodbye to the Shelby GT500. So pretty. Orange. Check out that Huracan there, 2015. So loud. Nice. Red interior. I can't with that. That is so pretty. (2015). I'm in love. I'm in love. Which one do you want, baby?
That one. This one.
You want that one? No, no, baby, don't touch it. You want that car? Is that Daddy's next car? Or the black one?
The white one.
Check out that blue R8. I think that's a 2017. That one's beautiful. All these R8s are here. I wanted to see what that Suzuki Gray looked like in person. Right here. This is it. How about this? See, this one's a V10. I think this one might be a V8. This car is sold, but check this out. It is a Dodge Demon. Oh, look at that. Oh. They still have the ACR. I believe that one's sold too. And the yellow Z06 over there in the corner. But man, muscle car heaven right here. American Muscle, all 3 iconic cars. C6, Z06 right here. And this orange Grand Sport. That looks amazing. R34. This is a Kirkham Cobra with an actual real Shelby 427, like documented Shelby engine. Oh my god. DR1. Dang. Oh, that you got the blue Viper in the back.
Yes, yep.
And it's time to say goodbye. Oh, what is that, baby? What is that? Is that Daddy's car? Yeah. Daddy's car. We gotta say goodbye to it.
Say wave.
Wave goodbye to it.
There will always be more.
There will be, absolutely.
That was my baby for so long. Actually, 5 years. Wow. 5 years this Sunday to the day will be the day that we picked it up. Yeah. Crazy stuff. But on to bigger and better things for sure. That is a nice R34 right there. And you said this is a replica with a
It's a Kirkham Cobra, so that's an aluminum body Cobra with an actual Shelby 427 that's bored out to 511.
Okay.
So this car on the dyno made 662 wheel horsepower,
God.
all motor, and it weighs 1,900 pounds.
Oh my god.
So it has the power to weight ratio similar to like a Bugatti Veyron.
Oh my god.
But
that's
no,
scary.
No
Widowmaker.
traction control.
Yeah.
No ABS. Manual. You got to drive it.
Oh my god, that's crazy. Man, you guys got, and then I saw the 911 turbo that you guys got in.
Turbo left. We have a supercharged Turbo 4S. Just got in 2 Audi R8 V10 Pluses within the last 2 days.
Okay.
Actually 3, but the third one is already sold.
Good stuff. Good stuff. A lot of stuff coming in. I've been watching the website. Ton of stuff coming in and out.
Yeah, I have to post 2 more cars today.
Well, I appreciate you letting us come back and check it out. Say goodbye. All right, you guys, so there you have it. We just said goodbye to the Shelby GT500. We signed all of the paperwork that it takes to send it off to whoever purchased it. Sounds like someone purchased it down in Florida, so which is pretty cool. When we go to visit my parents, it sounds like it's gonna be around, so maybe we'll get to see it again. It was a sad day to say goodbye. You saw Aria, she waved goodbye to the Shelby GT500. Checked out this beautiful spec 911 Porsche Turbo, beautiful. And let's wait for this truck to drive by. Checked out the R8, checked out the Huracan. It is amazing. All these cars are super, super pretty. I will give you guys an update whenever we bring a new car to the channel. When we bring a new car, it'll be a supercar. That's it for this vlog. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe to the channel for more updates. Give me a like the video. I appreciate it so, so much. Always remember, you are the maker of your own story, so don't forget to make it legendary. All right, you guys, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.